morning students. Today we learn about distributive property of multiplication over addition. Distributive property of multiplication over addition means A, B, C are any three integers. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. That means here three numbers. First we add and then multiply. Otherwise, multiple two numbers and other two numbers also multiply, then add. One of the method we can select, but here we can prove the distributivity from this example. Check whether 10 into 6 plus negative 2 is equal to 10 into 6 plus 10 into negative 2. 10 into 6 plus 10 into negative 2. Check whether means these two are equal. In this equation, there are two sides. One is LHS and other is RHS. LHS means left hand side of the equation and RHS means right hand side of the equation. So first we can find the answer of left hand side. LHS is equal to, LHS means 10 into 6 plus negative 2. 10 into 6 plus negative 2. First we can find the answer inside the bracket. Then do the multiplication. 6 plus negative 2 means, what is the answer of 6 plus negative 2? That is 4. So we can multiply 10 into 4. That's equal to 14. Then 6 plus negative 2. 6 plus negative 2, that is 6 plus negative 2 means subtract these two numbers and put the positive sign. That is 10 into 4 is equal to 14. That is the LHS side of the equation. Then we can find the RHS. RHS, that is second side of the equal sign. That is 10 into 6 plus 10 into negative 2. 10 into 6 plus 10 into negative 2. That is, there are two parts. Before the plus and after the plus. Before the plus, what it is? 10 into 6. What's the answer? 60 plus 10 into negative 2. What is the answer? Negative 20. 60 plus negative 20 is equal to 40. 60 plus negative 20 is equal to 40. That means LHS side the answer is 40. RHS side also is equal to 40. So from this, what you can understand, these two parts are same. That means we can find in any way we get the same answer. So here we can verify that LHS equal to RHS, the value is equal to 40. This is the verification of the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Then we can discuss exercise 1.3 second problem. Verify the following. The A question number A, 18 into 7 plus negative 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into negative 3. Here also two sides, LHS and RHS. First we can find the value of LHS. LHS is equal to, implies 18 into 7 plus negative 3. First you find the value from the bracket. 7 plus negative 3. What is 7 plus negative 3? That's equal to 4. 7 plus negative 3. Subtract the absolute values and put the sign of the greatest integer. That is That's equal to 72. 18 into 4 is equal to 72. Then RHS side. Right hand side RHS 18 into 7 plus 18 into negative 3. 18 into 7 plus 18 into negative 3. So, first you find the product of 18 into 7. What's the value there? 8 sevens are 56. 7, 1 7 plus 5, that is 12, 126. Plus 18 into negative 3. 18 into 3. 18 into 3, 8 3s are 24, then 3 ones, 3 plus 2, 54, and here 18 into negative 3, that is negative 54. One number is positive, other is negative, so what can you do? That is subtraction process. One is positive, other is negative, so you find the subtraction and difference of 126 and 54. Difference of 126 and 54. What do you get? That is 2. The answer is 72. So here also we get the values LHS and RHS are equal. So the equation is verified because LHS and RHS equal to LHS and RHS equal to 72. So the equation is verified. Here we get the distributive property of multiplication over addition. This is also example for distributive property of multiplication over addition. So we get the same values on both sides. That means A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay. Then next one more problem in that section. So you can do it as homework. Find the product using suitable properties. Find the product. Next section, fifth one, find the product using suitable properties. Fifth section, find the product using suitable properties. A. 26 into negative 48 plus negative 48 into negative 36. Before this section, we learned about the distributivity. That is A into B plus A into C is equal to A into B plus C. Here, one number is repeated. A. So, in this question, you can look at that. It's 26 into negative 48 plus negative 48 into negative 36, which is a common number in this question. You can see negative 48 is in both sides of the plus, isn't it? So, negative 48 represent as A, and other two numbers, one is 26 and other side there is negative 36. So, it is B represent 26 and C represent negative 36. Do you understand? But it is A is common. So, which is the common number in the question? That is negative 48. And B represent 26 and C represent negative 36. So, we can write A is equal to negative 48. B is equal to 26 and C is equal to negative 36. So substitute A into B plus C. A into B plus C. So what is A? This is negative 48 48 into B and C. Substitute the values of B and C in the place of B. What is 26 plus negative 36. Okay, calculate. First, you do the calculation inside the bracket. So, what is inside the bracket? 26 plus negative 36. One is positive, other is negative. So, you can subtract and put the sign negative. 26 and negative 36. Difference, what it is difference? That is negative 10. Negative 48 into negative 10. Both the numbers are negative. So the product is positive. The product will be positive. So what is the answer? 48 into 10. 48 into 10 is 480. 48 into 10 is 480. Okay. Next question number E. 625 into negative 35 plus negative 625 into 65. Here also we can apply the distributive property, that is A into B plus A into C is equal to A into B plus C. A into B plus A into C is equal to A into B plus C. Here A is common in both sides of the plus. In the question also 625 is there, but one is positive, other is negative. So you can change this negative to 625. This negative is changed to 65 because we want to get positive 65. So you rewrite this question in this form: 625 into negative 35 plus 625 into negative 65. In your textbook it is negative 625 into 65, and if it is multiplication, we can change this negative to 65 also, because multiplication is commutative. Earlier class you learned A into B also equal to B into A. So we can change this negative to 65 also. So the question becomes 625 into negative 35 plus 625 into negative 65. Again we can select which are A, B and C. So A is equal to 625, B is equal to negative 35, C is equal to negative 65. Once again, A is the common number 625 and B represent negative 35, C represent negative 65. So it is apply the distributive law. A into B plus A into C, that's equal to A into B plus C. So we can substitute these values in the place of A, B and C. So A into B plus C is equal to 625 into negative 35 plus negative 65. So first we can do the calculation inside the bracket. First we can do the calculation inside the bracket. What is inside? Negative 35 plus negative 65. What is the value of negative 35 and 65? The sum of negative 35 and negative 65. The sum of negative 35 and negative 65 is, what's it? 100. Negative 100. 625 into negative 100. 625 into negative 100. We can easy to find the product of 625 and 100 because it is negative 625 with 2 zeros. That means negative 62,500. Negative 62,500. Okay, I think you learn this distributive property of multiplication over addition. So we can go through the next properties. Okay. Okay, next question. D. Negative 41 into 1 or 2. Negative 41 into 1 or 2. Here we can use the distributive law. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. When we use the distributive law, we want to get 3 numbers. But in the question, it is only 2 numbers. So in this type of problem, you split this second number 102. That is easy to get 102. But how can you split? 100 plus 2. Negative 41 into 100 plus 2. Now how many numbers? Now there are 3 numbers. Which are there? Negative 41, 100 and 2. So we can select A as negative 41, B 100, C 2. So it is the LHS part, A into B plus C. A into B plus C. So we can apply these numbers in the form of A into B plus A into C. So how can you find? Negative 41 into 100 plus negative 41 into 2. This is A into B plus A into C form. What is A? A is negative 41 into B is 100 plus negative 41 into, in the place of C is 2. So again we find negative 4,100. Easy to get. 41 into 100. 41 into 2 0. 4,100 plus 41 into 2. 41 into 2 what it is? 82. Negative 82. Here both the products are negative. So easy to get 4,100 plus 82. Simply we can write negative 4,182. So I think you learned the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubts, you can call me. Okay, thank you.